Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you migrating all banking data to a new online banking platform. So without wasting any time, let's just get right on the video. Now, if you are migrating all banking data to a new online banking platform which is Chase, then what you need to do is simply head over and open up a Chase Bank application and be sure to be logged in using your user ID and password. And then what you need to understand is phase 1, inventory your old Chase data. What to identify is closed or legacy checkings or savings accounts like old credits, open or close, archive statements, and download transaction histories and linked external accounts. And delete simply open accounts, and then once inside accounts, select close accounts, and then you can also select statement and documents as well. And next is to export everything by selecting the statements and documents, and then choose data range up to 7 years and download PDFs and renew consistently. Then once done, export transactions by opening up the transactions on your app, then select custom date and click download and choose CSV or Quicken and save locally or to your cloud storage. Then if you are moving into a new Chase account or new hosting app or fresh spreadsheet system, clean the data by standardizing date formats, removing duplicates, rename merchant consistently, and track transactions. Now, if you are doing it via your Barclays banking platform, then what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Barclays application and then simply follow the same steps by auditing your legacy Barclays footprint by identifying closed or dormant Barclays accounts or credit cards or loan accounts, historic statements, transaction history, save pays, alerts, and transfers. Where to look is simply heading over to the accounts and simply selecting save close accounts, or simply heading over to the option and selecting statement and documents. You can also select account and details or history as well. Next is to export everything. Simply head over and choose the account and then select statement and documents. And once you are inside there, in order to do it, simply select transactions from the options or settings and select custom date range. Then select download export and choose CSV for spreadsheets and save locally or to a cloud storage. Now, if you are moving data into a new Barclays account or personal finance app or spreadsheet or Notion system, simply clean and normalize standardized data, merge duplicate merchants, normalize categories, add tags and notes. Now, if you are doing it via TD Bank, then what you need to do is simply head over and open up your TD Bank application and be sure to be logged into your account. Now, identify closed and inactive TD accounts, all debit or credit cards, statements and transaction history, all transfers and linked external banks. To do it, simply head over and select accounts, and inside accounts, select show close accounts, and in each account shows their statements, and in the statement you will get a details or history. The next is to export everything. Simply download statements by selecting an account, then simply go to the statements option, transactions, and then select a custom date range and then tap on download or export by choosing CSV and then locally save it to the cloud storage transactions. Now normalize the data. If you are importing into a new TD account or visiting app or spreadsheet or Notion setup, normalize like a pro like dates, deduplicate merchants, standardize categories, add tags and notes. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.